the next item I have is the new and improved Pixel stand. And this is the new Pixels, the second generation Pixel stand from Google. This is just made to sit on a desk and charge your phone wirelessly.
Okay.
If your phone accepts wireless charging, which if it's a Pixel, it does.
Yeah.
I'll say at first look, it is nice. It very minimal. It fits the aesthetic of what they're doing lately.
It's very Google.
Very Google. It's got a little accent color on the bottom. It's got a little bit of a rock to it, so that if you're going to grab your phone and you accidentally hit something, you're not going to knock it over. It looks like it's made to kind of take a little bit of bumps. The other thing you have in the box is you have kind of your let's get started, and then you have a power brick and a cable.
A nice long cable.
Nice long USB-C cable.
So what is it, probably 6 feet?
Yeah, looks like a 6-foot cable.
So a lot of phones have wireless charging now, and that's one of those features where maybe going to bed at night, if you plug your phone in as you go to sleep, set it as an alarm clock.
Right.
It's nice to do. But for a lot of people, going wireless, it's nice to just reach over and put it on a cradle or put it on the platform to charge at night.
Right.
And that's something that I think looks and acts very handy.
Yeah.
To have something like at the desk here.
Yep.
If to work, to just kind of drop it in there, pick it up and go. I'm kind of torn between desktop, like wireless charging, and plug it in.
Yeah.
Because if I want to plug in, then I can still use my phone. But if my battery is low and all I have is the wireless, it's going on there, and then I can't use my phone. You can't
use it, right?
But more and more, I'm finding wireless is much more convenient.
Well, and there's more and more things that I can do from my computer with my phone. I mean, we have messaging now is available through a browser. There's a lot of things I can do from my phone or for my phone that I can do from a computer now. So I don't necessarily need to always have it.
Yep.
It's more for like if I'm playing a game for 5 minutes or something where, but yeah, I echo what I don't necessarily always use these. And I think I probably would if I had it. This one, the bottom piece, this colored piece is like a little rubbery. It's got a little bit more tack to it. So it won't scoot on a table necessarily. Yeah. And then the top is kind of that smooth kind of more matte finish plastic that we've seen from them before.
Like the bottom half of a Nest mini speaker or something.
Yep. Very, very much fits in the product family for sure. There's really not much else to say about it other than it comes in at $79.99.
Okay.
Which, it's kind of expensive for a charger, but if you think about it, you're getting a 6-foot cable and a brick that you can use with your phone without this.
Right.
So you're gonna easily spend probably about $40 on these two together if you buy them separately from a store. For another $30, you got a stand that'll charge, and it looks nice on your desk.
And that one has a fan built into it. So if you're doing like video conferencing, that is a nice thing to have so that you can put your phone up. Right. And if you're a vlogger or somebody who uses your phone for things, you can put your phone on there and charge it at the same time you're using it. And the fan will keep that thing cool so it's not overheating in the middle of a conference call.
Which is it's an interesting design choice because it looks like that port for the fan here is on the bottom. I don't know if I can show it here and you can see it enough. It's kind of an opening here, and I thought it was I was a little confused by it at first, but now looking at it, I can see why, and it's a little cupped in the back, so it's got a little bit of a cup design to be able to have the airflow cool the whole device. It's cool. It's definitely a cool product.
And that'll do, it says up to 23 watts for compatible Pixel phones.
Okay.
and up to 15-watt speeds for other wireless devices.
Okay.
So if you've got earbuds even,
yep.
You can put those on there and charge them up as well.
Yep.
So that's the second gen.
Second gen Google Pixel stand.
All right.